Today we're diving into AWS Security Best Practices, breaking down how you can protect your data in the cloud while using Amazon Web Services. We'll walk through some practical examples and tips that are perfect for anyone getting started with AWS security. Let's begin with the AWS Shared Responsibility Model. Think of it as a partnership. AWS takes care of the security of the cloud, handling the infrastructure like the physical data centers and network. Meanwhile, you are responsible for security in the cloud, which means managing your data, identity, and access controls. One of the best practices is data encryption. For example, you can encrypt sensitive customer data stored in Amazon S3 using AWS Key Management Service, KMS. This ensures that even if someone gains unauthorized access, the data is unreadable without the decryption keys. Next, let's talk about multi-factor authentication, MFA. Think of it as adding an extra lock to your door. When securing IAM user accounts, always enable MFA to add an extra layer of protection beyond just passwords. Security groups act like a virtual firewall for your EC2 instances. They control the inbound and outbound traffic, helping you manage which data can flow in and out of your instance. It's crucial to set up these rules to limit access only to what's necessary. Now let's discuss using AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, to follow the principle of least privilege. This means giving users only the permissions they need to do their jobs. Nothing more, nothing less. For example, if someone only needs access to read data, don't give them full write permissions. AWS makes it easier to comply with regulations like GDPR or HIPAA by offering built-in services that align with these standards. While AWS handles the infrastructure compliance, you're responsible for your data and configurations. Using these frameworks can help guide your security strategies and data protection. Finally, it's essential to perform regular security audits using tools like AWS CloudTrail. CloudTrail helps you track account activity and detect unusual behavior in your AWS environment. This way, you can quickly respond to any potential security issues. To wrap up, adopting these AWS security best practices can help you build a robust defense against potential threats. Remember to keep your data encrypted, secure your accounts with MFA, assign the least privilege, and perform regular audits to stay on top of security. Thanks for watching, and take the first steps to safeguard your AWS environment today.